Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing well. My name is Adnan Siraj and today I will present about the accountability for the crime against humanity in the recent development in international tribunal. So my presentations will examine the evolving landscape of accountability for the crime against humanity, focusing on the recent development in international tribunal. Let's look at an important instance historical background and legal framework that have influenced attempts to bring mass atrocity perpetrator to justice. So let's go to the introductions. The crime against humanity. So its definition is the crime against humanities are the most heinous violations of international law, including murder, enslavement, torture, and other inhuman acts committed as a part of the widespread or systematic attack direct against a civilian population. So if we look to the historical context, so the concept emerged in the response to the horror of the World War II, accumulating in the Nuremberg trials of Nazi leaders. So these trials establish the principle of individual responsibility under the international law. So if we can see to the evaluations of accountability, so Nuremberg trials. So the Nuremberg trials took in from 1945 to 1946, prosecuted Nazi leaders for the crime against humanity, established a distinct category of international crime. The second is ad hoc tribunal. So the international criminal tribunals for the former Yugoslavia and the International Criminal Tribunal for the Rwanda were established in 1990s to prosecute the crime against humanities in the specific conflicts. The number third is International Criminal Court, so ICC. So the ICC established in 2002 create a permanent mechanism for the prosecutions of crime against humanities, war crime and genocide. Now we are going to defining the crime against humanity, that what it is. So the number first is the widespread or systematic nature. So that act must be a large scale or carried out systematically, indicating a pattern of behavior. The number second is targeting civilians. So the victim must be primarily non-combatant, demonstrating an intent to harm civilians. And the number third is contextual element. So the crime must be committed as a part of a wider attack such as conflicts, state repressions or prosecutions. Now we are going to the recent development. That what are the recent developments in the international tribunal? So we can see to some cases, notable cases. So the trial of former Sudanese leader Umar al-Bashir for the crime in Darfur, and convicted Dominica Angwam, commander of Lord's Resistance Army in Uganda, should demonstrate ICC focus on individual responsibility. Now, if we can see to the emerging trends, so advance in technology have strengthened the evidentiary basis for the prosecutions, and international jurisprudence has emphasized the gender dimensions of the crime against humanity, recognized sexual violence as a systematic weapons of war. Now, if we can see to the some challenges and critique, so the number first is political interference. So state non-cooperations, including the failure of extradite suspects for the recognizing ICC jurisdictions, undermine the authority of the International Tribunal. The number second is the resource limitation. So the limited resources can hinder investigations, trial and witness trials, leading to delay and eroding confidence in the justice system. The number third is selectivity and bias. So preparation of selectivity and biases in the prosecutions arises concerns about the fairness and impartiality of the international justice mechanism. Now we are going to the conclusion. So in conclusion, so international responsibility, the international tribunals, so it's international responsibility so to prevent crimes, prosecute perpetrator and ensure justice. So international Criminal tribunals play a crucial role in addressing impunity, ensure the justice for the victims of the most serious crimes, to enhance their legitimacy and effectiveness. Reforms are needed. Some reforms are needed to address political interference, resources limitations, and preparation of vices. Now, what are the key takeaway from our presentation? So, the key takeaway is individual accountability. So, international tribunals hold accountable for the crime against humanity, regardless of their positions and or political standing. The number second is global cooperations. So the effectiveness international justice required a strong state cooperation and commitment to uphold the rule of law. And the number third is continuous reform. So international tribunal must adapt to evolving challenges and addresses concerns about selectivity and biases to maintain their legitimacy and effectiveness. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.